my lovelies, this is Lian from Resin Creations and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I have a request. I need to recreate these green resin coasters just in a different shape. As my friend likes the color, not the shape, so she asked me to make these ones in geode form. So she thought that it will be a nice present to her aunt. So that's what I'm doing. Here are all the ingredients that I'm using for this project. And first things first, let's mix the resin and add pigments so we can get pouring. So here I have my gold leaf and I added a bit resin, so I break it up really nice and small pieces. And this is beautiful green pigment paste from Resin 8 and it's opaque, so it's enough a little tiny bit and you will have the most beautiful dark green. And this lovely green mica, it's so shiny and is as well really beautiful green color. And then I add a tiny bit of gold extra fine glitter to my transparent resin, and it's really enough to add just a little bit as it goes really long way. I think I add a bit too much, but it's too late and I can take it away. So all my resin has been mixed and now it will be time to start pouring. I start to go around with my dark green, followed by a circle of light green, and then add my transparent in the center and finish up by gold leaf in the center. So I will put some music in background and come back to you shortly. Enjoy the pour. Usually I find it quite hard to recreate the same coasters that have been made with resin, as resin is a tricky material to work with and not always you can achieve the same design and results that you have. But this time it was quite simple and it was doable in my eyes. So that's basically it. Now I will cover them and let them to cure. And here are sped up first 20 minutes of curing. So it is the next day and they have cured nicely, so it's time to get them out and see if I have achieved the same pattern than triangles. And yes, they look the same, which I'm very happy about. So taking out the next one and nice as well, very happy. And this time I made 5 coasters just because I mixed too much resin first, and second I have noticed that usually will be 1 coaster out of 4 that it's bit on a matte side, so I thought I will make 5 coasters, so if there is 1 coaster not up to standard, it will be easy to pick than just 4. And here are the little hearts, they look cute as well, and yeah, now it's just time to finish up by painting edges and top coating them. And here they are, all ready, and I'm really happy how they look. And they have gone already to their new homes, and the person is really liking them as well. So job well done. If you found this video useful and entertaining, please let me know by leaving comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!